3 nights, 2 days. It's going to be in and out of Harbin. And here we are. Welcome to Harbin. Nice Holiday Inn. I debated. It was between the Shangri-La, which is 5-star, and the Holiday Inn 4-star. But I figured for basically 3 nights of sleeping, touring all day, breakfast will be the only meal we eat here. Otherwise, we get taken out for Chinese food, which I'm very looking forward to. All right, let's explore Harbin tomorrow. I'm going to try a little fried garlic for breakfast. Pass on that one. These are all tea eggs, hard-boiled eggs that are cooked in tea. Different kinds of dumplings. It is minus 15 degrees out right now with the wind chill of minus 23, and we're talking Fahrenheit here in Harbin. Woo. Of Harbin's Jewish history, and this originally was a Jewish hospital. Started in June 1933 and completed in 1939. Today it's an ophthalmology hospital and considered the best medical facility in Harbin. Nice sculpture. Center Street or Central Street, I can't quite make out. It's the longest pedestrian street in China. It's still the Chinese New Year, and most of the tourists here are from southern China. It's an entirely Jewish area at one time, and this is a hotel run by a Russian Jewish merchant, Joseph or Jose Caspe, or Cast, built in 1906 and completed in 1913. It's a heritage building now. The entire street is 1.5 kilometers long. In other words, it's time for a Coca-Cola break. And the Jewish National Bank was constructed in 1923. It's brick and concrete in Renaissance style. Got a Starbucks across the way. Humongo snowman. That's what I call a snowman. First stop on today's itinerary, a Buddhist temple. You feed the sparrows there. Hi, little guys. Are you all cold? Hungry? To Buddhist temple. And I know I said it wrong. This one is a little different looking. This is the biggest Buddhist temple in northeast China, with many different halls. The guardians on the wall. That much I remember. Believe me, I don't remember much. When you're on the move every single day, different places, different guides, different hotels, it's hard to remember what you're doing. A little boiling in oil there. 108 arhats. Our 9 millionth Confucius temple. I mean, you see Confucius temples all over China because he was such a great scholar. In 1926 and completed in 1929. It's in brick wooden structure with Chinese traditional architectural style. Here he is, the main man, Confucius. Most of the sites that we're seeing this morning are pretty darn boring, and the only reason we are visiting them is since we were coming to Harbin for the ice festival, you do want to see whatever else there is to see, even if you are bored. I saw a whole group of Chinese tourists touching this big red stick, so I asked our guide Peter what it means, and he read it. I guess the last 2 lines say something about if you touch it, it's for good luck and good future and happiness and whatever else. We touched it. We're in a local store off Center Street, and blueberries are a Harbin specialty.